Good morning guys. Today I'm going to be unpacking this beast of a worksite trailer. So behind me we've got the 3.6 by 2.1 Pro Series flat top trailer. Rated to 3.5 tonne, a heavy duty jack stand, safety chains, breakaway unit and coupling on our standard 4.5 tonne rated and FEA tested chassis. Underneath the running gear we've got our 16-inch Land Cruiser 5-stud wheels on light truck tyres, supported by a 4.5 tonne rocker roller suspension and axles. A really heavy duty combination designed for longevity but designed to work when it matters most. The front of this trailer we've got our flat top, our drawbar cabinet, a perfect dust, waterproof and lockable solution for housing filters, service kits, spare parts, whatever you guys need to put in there. Comes with a height adjustable shelf. It's a pretty awesome little setup. On the back of this particular trailer, we've got a 2400 lift-off canopy. This is a lift-off canopy, but has been bolted down to the trailer tray. At the front of it, we've got our heavy-duty headboard that can also be removed. We've got our 250mm Dropside package, the front, sides and the back. In the driver's side of this 2400 canopy, we've got what we call a heavy-duty diesel mechanic fit-out. Got the smaller drawer slide setups, got the deeper drawers at the bottom, obviously 2 sections. Got the fixed shelf on top. We've got 3 shelves here that can be taken out or can be adjusted, and we've got the 1 full-length drawer at the bottom there. So it's a great modular setup, bearing in mind if there's a system that you want to copy or you want to emulate or you want to stick with this but modify it slightly, Ox Trailers has got the capacity to do that for you. Now, one of the good features with all the Ox Trailers toolbox and canopy fit outs for that matter, we run them on a heavy duty HDPE slide. One of the benefits of this slide, number one, it's easy to replace if you ever have to, and it just lasts. So unlike the standard drawer runners that most suppliers use, that number one, when they fill up with dirt, grease, grime, anything like that, they don't work very well and they're quite expensive to replace. This is a very bulletproof solution designed to just work day in, day out. We'll move around to the back of the trailer and then we'll focus on the massive space on the other side. At the back of this trailer we've got about 700-800mm worth of tray storage, featuring our standard 250mm Dropsides. Gives you a nice little area for any dirty parts, smaller pallets, boxes, large items that you don't want to put inside your canopy for obvious reasons. A good feature of all our lift-off canopies and toolboxes is the structural integrity within the doors. So a lot of people comment the strength and the design smarts of these canopies. You might have noticed when I lifted that down, the whole door came down at the same angle. There was no twisting, no buckling. It is 3-point latching, centre and both ends. Stops pry bars and other tools being able to be used to break into your canopy. You've got massive storage, a lot of space in there for various parts, boxes, large bulky items. Another pretty cool feature on all our canopies is the access panels on the inside at the front here. So say if you want to fit an electrical system or some work lights, whatever it may be, you've got these access panels you can remove, and also on the front is where you'll be able to access the wiring side of things so that you can run it down to your chassis into your tow vehicle. A great little feature that comes standard on all Ox Trailers canopies that you purchase from us. So if you're a diesel mechanic, a service supervisor or just a tradie that needs a heavy duty but versatile work spec trailer, different accessories can be optioned up, different length canopies, racks, headboards, underbody boxes, water tanks, you name it. Feel free to reach out to the team because I'm pretty sure we can help you.